What does a baseball bat and a phone book have to do with the school assembly? Check this out.
And welcome the one and only Iceman. Also known as Omegaman!
Hey, this is Omegaman, this is Guardian, Iceman, Dynamo. We're challenging young people to be a hero, H-E-R-O, helping everyone respect others. Let's be bully-free. We are Omegaman Friends. We're coming to your school soon.
This towel represents your dreams. Everything, hold on tight. Never let go.
Prepare yourself to be the best person that you can be.
You can turn it around. You can make good choices. The dream breaker bat is being destroyed today and a new day. Come on, somebody come on screen and help out. Every single one of you are now heroes.
The book of bad choices. Every bad choice in the universe, guess what? All of our bad choices, it's in the book. Because Omegaman, I'm gonna rip it, I'm gonna throw it away. Why? Because it represents our past.
It's my school. Bully free. It starts with you and me.
No matter what they go through in life, no matter if someone said something mean to them, maybe personally, at home, to always believe in themselves, because if you believe in yourself, you can and you will achieve great things in life.
Today we hosted Omegaman. He was so exciting, brought a lot of energy to our school. All of our kids were engaged the entire time, spreading his message of being a dream maker and not a dream breaker. Our kids were fantastic. They did an excellent job. I challenge all of you other schools across the United States, bring Omegaman to your school. You'll have a great experience.
Omegaman Friends, we travel all across the nation, motivating, challenging young people to be the hero in you, helping everyone respect others, to believe in yourself, to be bully free, to be a dream maker. Come to your school soon.